Major League Baseball 2018, the show. Just got this system, ps4, back. Paid $165 and sent my cords and everything so they could test it out, make sure it worked before they sent it back to me. And it still don't. So I gotta run clear from Kansas back. There it is up there spinning, just like it always does. And then it'll say unrecognized disc, just like it always does. Unrecognized disc. Right there. Okay, so let's try another game. Okay, this time we'll go with brand new Spider-Man. Just came out today. Okay, the Spider-Man's going in. Just look, it's up. Makes a real loud sound on the ps4. Unrecognized disc. Again. That was Spider-Man. That couldn't have tested it out, because if you tested it out, it'd be working. $165 is a lot of money, plus gas is going up, costing me more money. This took a week, and still doing the same thing, unrecognized disc.